channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to share and transfer files in Webex. So guys, if you want to share file in the Webex, so guys it is very easy. For this guys, first of all sharing your screen or the application. So guys, start and join the Webex meetings and click the option of your share button and bottom of the window. Choose the screen 1 and alternatively select the specify application window like Word or the presentation. Ensure the optimization for the text and the images or optimization for the motion and video is selected. Then click the option share to begin the broadcasting your chosen content and click the option of stop sharing when it is finished. If we are talking about transfer the file in the meeting, for this, while in Webex meeting, open the chat panel and located the file icon. Then click the icon to the browse your computer for the file you wish to send. Then select the file and click and open or select send. The file will uploaded and shared with all the meeting participant in the chat, and the participant can then click the file name to download it. Okay, then guys, sharing the file before after meeting. So open your Webex app and navigate to the relevant space or direct message. Click the attached icon in the message composer. Then select browser, my computer and cloud storage to find your file. Then choose the document you want to share and click the open and add a optional message and press send to share the files. Then file shared here are the presently available for all the member of the space. So this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.